Hello dear student. Yes, today we are going to learn about occupations. Yes, so particular person have particular occupations. Your parents have their own occupation. So here in your textbook we have to learn occupation of some people. Let's hear one by one. First going to start we have to see what is exact occupation means. See, occupation here, everybody does some work to earn his or her livelihood. See, such work is called his or her occupation. People do different kinds of job to help us. See here, everybody does some work, so they are doing their work and for earn money or for earn livelihood, and such work is called as occupation. So people do different kinds of job and they help us. See here you can see lots of pictures are there. Doctor, see here teacher, then see here you can see, yes, lots of people are there. So they have different occupation. Let's see one by one. So first, you just see this picture. Yes, who is he? Firefighter. Firefighter, do you know who is he? So what he do? What is his occupation? Yes, a firefighter helps to put off the fire whenever required. Yes, when it is required, something is what get fire, what he will do? He is help us. Next, see. Second, see here what you can see in this picture, nurse. Yes, you know that usually you are going for the hospital or you going to the hospital, you can see the nurse, that sister, what she is doing. Yes, she takes care of patients. Yes, she take care of patients, even she give medicine in proper time. Yes, you know that she takes care after doctor. So this is her occupation. Nessie? Yes, you can easily find out while seeing this picture. You can see the police. Yes, they wore uniform. And here one person is there. Who is he? Thief. So this police, what they do usually? The police protect us from thieves. They protect us from thieves. So which is the occupation of that person? Policeman. He is a policeman. So what he do usually? He protect all from thieves. See next. Yes. Third person. Here see you can see here one small lady is there. What he wore? A hat on his head. So actually who is she? Chef. Chef means who? A person who prepare delicious food for us. You know that master chefs were there. Yes, so you maybe seen. So here this chef, what she does or what she do, they prepare delicious food for all. Next, see. Yes, you know that. See, just see, observe this picture. Yes, it is called as his bin lady. Bin lady means what? You know, usually you are throwing garbage. Yes, where? In dustbin. Yes, so this person or this woman or those people who picked up or who keep the surroundings clean are called as what? She is there, so they given her name bin lady. So she clean surroundings. See, here you can see in this picture, one man is there. He took something. See what it is? Yes, something is material is in his hand. What is this? Yes. What is this? Something, hammer and all those things. So this man, who is he? He is a mechanic. What he do? Yes, he help us to repair our vehicles. Usually, he do repair work. Next, see. Doctor. You can find out easily while seeing this picture. Who is he? Doctor. So doctor what he do? See, doctor are next to the God. Yes, this they what? They are very important for our life. A doctor treats us when we are sick. So usually you know that yes, doctor are our godfather. So we are sometimes calling them God. Why? Because they treat us very nicely. Even they take care of us when we are sick or when we are ill. Next, see. Yes, your favorite occupation. Who is teacher? See, who is this lady? Teacher. So, teacher usually what she did or what she do? Yes, at the school teacher teaches us many new things and good manners. Yes, your teacher also will teach you good manners. Yes, she teaches you good manners. Next, see. Yes, postman. You can see he is in uniform and what he is doing? He is giving letter. So, postman usually what they do? A postman delivers our letters and telegrams at our doorsteps. So, postman usually they what? If you send any letter, so they post it on proper address. Next one you can see here, tailor. You know that tailor. Usually tailor what they do? Yes, tailor stitches our dresses. Yes, so here this tailor he stitches our beautiful dresses. So you know that you are also purchasing something. Yes, or you are also going to visit the tailor to stitch your dresses. So he is called as tailor. Farmer, yes, they are also very important for us because why? You know that farmers grow food for us like rice and wheat and lots of grains. Yes, they grow for us. Yes, because they are very important for us. They are preparing what? They are growing food for our life or for us, for our what? See, they are very important because they grow the food. It is very important thing. Next, see gardener. You know that gardener. Gardener, what they do? They works in the garden. They grow plants, and gardener clean the garbage, even the grow plants, and they clean all the surroundings. Yes, so it is called, and even they watering the plant, and even they keep all the surroundings clean. So called as gardener. Next, see. Yes, you know that vegetable seller. Yes, some you are going for market, you can see there. Yes, they what they do? They sell vegetables and they also sell what? Fruits. So vegetables, when you are going to visit for market, you can see vegetable seller. What he do? He sells vegetable. Okay. Next, see. Carpenter. You know that carpenter, what usually do? So carpenter using its tools. Which one? See, hammer, then lots of things, whichever he want, screwdriver. These all he used to build the things. Means he is actually uses wood to build the things. So it is called as carpenter. Yes, grocer. You are going for grocery shopping? Yes. So what you can see there? Grocer job to get food and product that people might need to buy. Usually grocer what they do? Yes, you sometimes you are visiting for market and shopping mall. So you can get lots of products in one area. So usually it is needful things you can get there to buy or to purchase. Yes, this is a favorite. See, daily we have to brush our teeth. How many times? Twice in a day. So, this is a dentist. What they do usually? A person whose job is treating people's teeth. Yes, usually what they do? They treat people's teeth. Yes, they taking care of our teeth. And usually they suggest, what they suggest? Yes, they suggest that we have to brush our teeth twice in a day. Next one, see, astronaut. You like to go? Yes, to travel the space? Yes, but for that you have to work hard. You have to study because without study, without getting knowledge, you can't go there. So they are very important and they are very clever. So what they usually astronaut do? They travel in space. Yes, you know that travel in a space is called as astronaut. Next, see. Yes, artist. Do you know artists? Who are artists or who? We are calling artist to whom? Yes, a person who paints the picture. Usually a person who paints the picture, we call him painter or artist. So and they have lots of knowledge. They paint very nice pictures. Yes, so they call as artists. Next one, see. Yes, journalist. Journalist means who? Journalist. See here, you can see a lady. What she is doing? See something. She is explaining some things. Yes, so she is called as journalist. Why? Because they gives report. Yes, news report. So a person who writes news stories, yes, and who gives the report is called as, actually he is a reporter, means he is giving report. But who is writing the news? He is called as journalist. See, now we have to we have to check whether you understood or no. So, we have two questions to you. You have to tell the answer. Answers are also given here. So, you tell me who teaches you in your school? Yes, very nice. A teacher. Teacher teaches you in your school. One more question. Who treats the patients? Yes, this answer is very easy. Doctor. Yes, so doctor is an answer. So like that, what you have to do? Just write down this in your notebook and related this video you have homework. Yes, so related to page or textbook. So you have to watch this video and what you have to do? You have to just recall. So what we learn in today's class? Yes. So occupation means what? Everybody does some work to earn his or her livelihood and such work is called his or her occupations. So now we learn about seer, firefighters, yes, nurse, yes, police, yes, chef, bin lady, mechanic, yes, doctor, teacher, postman, tailor, farmer, gardener, vegetable seller, carpenter, grocer, dentist, astronaut, artist, and finally last one is journalist. So hope you all understood. Yes. So thank you for watching this video. Dear student, just watch this video and try to understand the occupation of each and every person. Yes, you have to, what you have to do? You have to watch this video and you have to just recall the spellings or drill the all spellings. Yes, with the occupation. Yes, we will meet into the next class. Till take care. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.